guys! Welcome back to my channel! You know, January to February is a bad weather here in Dubai. So today, we will be making pho. Pho is a classic Vietnamese street food which consists of broth, some vegetables, and spices. For spices, we will need star anise, cinnamon sticks, coriander seeds, cloves, and cardamom. For the soup, we will need ginger, onion, and beef stock. Much better if you can do it from scratch. Kaya lang, biglaan lang tong nag-crave ako, so no time. At kailangan talaga mag-explain ako. Of course, you will need rice sticks for noodles. For the meat, I used 3 different cuts of beef, bone marrow, the meaty bones, and the brisket para mas malasa. You will also need madaming pans for this recipe kasi one we will use for grilling the onion and the ginger, which is the cast iron. And then you will also use a big pot para mag-boil ng meat. And then another pot para naman sa noodles. So in other words, madaming yung hugasin after. So kailangan pag magluluto ka ng ganito, meron ka ng nauto na maghuhugas ng mga pinagamitan. Charot! I forgot to mention kanina sa ingredients. For garnish, you will also need beansprout, red chili, lime, spring onion, cilantro, and pwedeng Hoisin Sauce and Sriracha or Tabasco kung gusto mo pa ng mas maanghang. You might be wondering, bakit wala namang ganap habang dada siya ng dada? Ayan, nagpapainit po kasi ako ng pan. Yung cast iron, kailangan mainit na mainit. And then, we will add the onion and ginger without any oil. The other pot naman, nagpapakulo ako ng water. Actually, boiled water na siya bago ko ilagay sa pot para mas mabilis. Kung mapapansin nyo, iba na po ang aking lutuan. Aming lutuan pala kasi nag-move po kami ng house kaya wala akong vlog for a while. This is the first time I'll be cooking pala sa lutuan na ito. Kaya medyo nangangapa pa ako sa temperature. Okay, so no need to peel the skin of the onion. Ganyan lang siya. But make sure it's very clean. Yan. Magmumukha siyang sunog but actually sinusunog talaga natin siya. Charot! No, we are putting colors sa onion and later sa ginger. Kung may oven kayo or broiler, better na doon nyo na lang siya gawin. As you can see on another pot, boiling na yung water, so that's the time to put our meat. Brisket para sa laman, syempre. And then these meaty bones, yan, dyan tayo kukuha ng lasa. And the bone marrow, pampabata, you know, the collagen. So yun na nga, while boiling, huwag din kalimutan na meron tayong niluluto na onion. There, that's the color we want to put sa onion natin and sa ginger. So after nyan, tatanggalin na yung onion and ipapalit ko naman yung ginger. Again, no need to peel off the skin of the ginger. Just make sure that it is washed properly. The reason why we are doing this process is to bring out the flavor of the ginger and the onion. There. So after mga 10 minutes, ganyan na yung look ng beef na pinapakuluan natin. Lumabas na yung parang dumi niya na kailangan natin i-discard later. So, ayan na nga. Medyo okay na rin yung ginger. Now, we have to take it out and then yung mga spices naman ang ilalagay natin. The reason behind it is again para ma-release yung flavor ng mga spices. Because you know, pho is all about the taste of the soup. So since ang labanan ng pho ay all about the flavor of the soup, yan yung reason kung bakit madaming spices and maraming ganap. Now, back to our meat. Ayan na siya. Lumabas na yung mga dumi ng karne. So, kailangan natin i-take out yung beef. So, you will need strainer para sa process na to. And then, once na nakuha na natin yung mga meat, we have to wash it with the running water para sure na talagang malinis yung broth natin later. And hindi lang basta hugas kailangan isa-isa talaga. While doing this, kailangan nagre-ready ka na ulit ng clean water sa isang pot. So there, we have to return the beef na hinugasan natin kanina. And then add more water para maraming sabaw. Now we have to put in the onion, the ginger, and later the spices. Ayan. So, hayaan lang natin siyang kumulo for about an hour or 2 para malambot na talaga yung meat ng beef. Kung mas may time ka pa, mas maganda kung mga 3 to 4 hours mo siya pakukuluan. But for this meat, mga 2 hours lang actually pwede na siya eh. Don't forget to cover it, guys. Wow, ayan, may pa-fireworks. By the way, base ako dito sa Dubai. And during the filming, Dubai Shopping Festival siya. So, every day, merong fireworks na ganap. Correction, hindi pala everyday, every weekends. Dati kasi everyday eh. So, ayan, habang nagpapakulo, watch muna ng fireworks. During my younger years, gustong-gusto ko talaga nanonood ng fireworks. And isa sa dream ko is makapanood ng fireworks sa Disneyland. So, when I had a chance na ma-witness ang fireworks ng Disneyland, hindi ko talaga mapigilan mapaiyak kahit matanda na ako noon. And ang saya dahil dito sa bago naming bahay, may pa-view ng fireworks. Napaka-magical talagang panoodin ng fireworks. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinipigay niyang saya sa akin. Hindi ko rin ma-explain kung ano, but I am always in awe kapag nanonood ako ng fireworks. Sino sa inyo ang mahilig din manood ng fireworks like me? Please comment down below and share your experience or kung saan yung pinaka-memorable na fireworks na napanood nyo. Nagiging about fireworks na yung video na to when in fact about fun naman talaga dapat. Sa bagay, pwede naman fa for fireworks. Charot! Last ko na yan. If you are doing this recipe while watching this video, don't worry. Just enjoy, relax, and have fun watching the fireworks kasi matagal pa bago lumambot ang meat ninyo. Imagine guys, since 17 December 2020 hanggang 30 January 2021, may pa-fireworks every weekend. O diba? Ang saya. So, kumusta naman kaya ang ating pinapakuluan? Ayan. Now, it's time to add some salt. For this recipe, I used Himalayan salt or actually any salt na bet ninyo kung ano available. Also add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Also add patis or fish sauce. Actually, this is not my brand. Naubusan lang ako ng patis, so I have to make nakaw. Charot. So, kailangan kong kumuha sa kapitbahay ng patis. Shout out pala sa kinuhanan ko ng patis. Thank you, Ate G and GE. Konting patis lang kasi nanghingi lang ako eh. Charot. Actually, yung dami ng patis, depende nga sa panlasa nyo. So, ako, ayoko na masyadong maalat. Hindi naman kasi masarap yung parang humihigop ka na lang ng patis mamaya sa sobrang alat, diba? So, at this time, medyo malambot na yung beef. Sa tingin ko, medyo fork tender na siya. So, onting mga minutes na lang. Pwede na yan. See? Look how clear the soup is. Yan, ganyan talaga dapat. Kaya kung in-skip nyo yung process kanina ng paglinis ng beef, good luck. So, by this time, tatanggalin muna natin yung brisket part ng beef. The reason behind this is ayaw natin stay pa ng mas matagal yung brisket part kasi titigas siya. Ang brisket part kasi, there's a tendency na kapag sumobra siya ng pakulo, nagiging matigas. So, yung bone marrow and the meaty beef ribs, yun yung iiwan natin na continuous pa rin yung pagpakulo. So, after a few minutes, pinatay ko na siya and I kept it overnight. Hindi na kailangan i-ref. Basta keep it overnight. The reason is, gusto ko yung fats niya, diba, tumitigas. So, mas madaling tanggalin. Para at least, yung inihigop nating sabaw, hindi na masebo, diba? Okay, the day after or the night after, natanggal ko na yung mga tumigas na sebo. If you can see on the upper right, yung green na mangkok, andun yung mga natanggal na sebo. Now, you will need a strainer and a pot para pakuluan uli yung mga spices and yung ginger, yung onion, and the buto-buto. The rest of the meat, itabi nyo muna. So there, yung right na pot, itong pot na yan, ayan yung pinagpakuluan ko last night. And then, nililipat ko ngayon yung mga spices nga like what I've said dito sa new pot. Kasi, kailangan pa natin siyang pakuluan ng mas matagal pa. Then, after that, we have to add additional boiled water. Syempre, pho is all about sabaw. So, kailangan madaming sabaw. Don't worry, hindi magiging bland ito kasi later on, magdadagdag tayo ng iba pang spices. So, after mga additional 30 minutes na pagpakulo ng soup with the spices and onion and ginger, isi-strain mo na siya. Kaya kanina, sabi ko kailangan ng strainer kasi para mas madali nila siya makuha. Then now, we will put back the meat, yung beef meat na tinapi natin kanina. And then, pakukulaan natin siya ng mga another 10 to 15 minutes na lang. So, this is how the soaked noodles will look like. Diba kanina parang transparent. Ngayon, white na siya na medyo malambot na. On another pot, napakulo ko yun ng water and doon natin lulutuin yung noodles. This will not take too much time kasi na-soak na natin yung water. So, 5 minutes carry na yan. For the final touches, I'm adding a beef stock powder para sa soup. Boil for another 10 minutes, then you're good to go. Kinip ko lang siya dyan sa stove para magstay na mainit while I'm preparing the pho. So, ayan. Okay na yung noodles natin. So, what we will do is huhugasan natin siya sa running water, cold water. And then, put some oil para hindi siya magdikit-dikit. So, ayan. Okay na lahat. Ready na lahat. Now, all we need to do is assemble the pho. There. Yan ang setup natin sa pag-assemble. The soup, the noodles, beansprout, chilies, spring onion, coriander, and the beef. Paano nga ba i-assemble ang pho? Actually, wala namang golden rule. Basta pagsama-samahin mo lang, okay na. Magtataka kayo, bakit hindi naluto yung beansprout? Well, maluluto na siya sa init ng soup na ilalagay natin. So, for me, ang una ko nilagay yung noodles, and then yung coriander, and then yung beef, and then ilalagay ko rin after nyan yung chilies, yung spring onion, and then the beansprout. O, diba? Para ka lang nag-shabu-shabu actually. Pero, kasi ang pho, masyadong deep yung flavor niya na very refreshing. Basta, masarap. Refreshing, pero pag maanghang talaga yung chili, good luck naman sa pawis, diba? I used the red bird chili para talagang todo-todo yung anghang. Pero, syempre, tinanggal ko yung seeds niya para huwag naman sobrang OA na siya sa anghang. Tamang hot lang. So there, my version of pho. I hope you enjoyed this video kahit na mas mahaba siya sa usual airtime ko. Charot! It may look complicated, but I do hope you will try this recipe because I can assure you, sulit sa pagod. Now, it's time for me to enjoy this pho with Casaira 308. Always remember, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!